Big old musky. Big one. Big old musky, dude. Here he is. Oh, he ain't ready yet. Where are you taking me? Bank. Are these people moving here? Huh? Can you get a picture of me over here? I got mine. Think I can make it up on that bank? Or should we go to Dulax over there real quick? Fish is in the water, so it's good. What is that? Is it smallmouth? Put that back. Put that back. Like, that's bite size.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.